So this UI editor here, when I'm in interactive mode, I can interact with this. I can click on buttons, right? And test out the actual functionality. When I switch it to selection mode, I can now select actual visual elements on my UI. Okay, and it pulls up all of the visual changes that I can make. So this is basically CSS. You can change the font, the typography, font size, font weight, alignment, colors, all the things that you would normally do through CSS code. You can actually do this through our UI editor. Okay, change the border, spacing, layout, effects, and this here is where you can add classes. So if you are a developer or you know a thing or two about CSS, you can actually add classes here and make changes that way. I am just super excited about this because I find this so easy to make styling changes. I can select a parent element, select it again. So it's going to keep going into the parent element until I know that I've selected exactly what I want. I can change the text over here. Let's say you want to ask it to do something a little bit more complex maybe than what you can do from these controls here. I can click on send to chat. It's going to take me back into my chat mode. Now let's say I actually want to see this exact element in code mode. Okay, I can click on view code and now it's going to take me to exactly where that is in the code. So there's also that.